I'm doing a few little promotional videos to introduce a course that comes about in September of this year called Spirituality in Astrology. We'll cover in great depth the planets and the signs, and I'll touch also upon much of the other material within astrology. And as the course title suggests, my focus is very clear. I want to bring about a new consciousness in how we might be able to use the ancient study of these archetypes more as a language to support our spiritual path of awakening. So let me just give you an example. When we're studying Taurus, I'm not going to just say, look, Taurus is this and that's what it is. I just don't see it that way. Like any journey we take from beginning to end, from source to ocean, in the case of a river, the journey is circuitous. This is true of our lives, isn't it? They kind of wander around from side to side, taking the path of least resistance rather than a direct A to B journey. And that's the same for all of the zodiac signs. So it just isn't true to say that Taurus is this, and especially not somebody whose birthday happens to be in Taurus is like that. It's just not true. It can be made to be true. Artful ambiguity in the choice of words and the confirmation bias phenomenon persuades us to sort of read meaning into whatever we're told to believe. And this is not wrong. It's like the placebo effect in medicine. We tend to become what we affirm. So it's a good starting point, but we can go deeper. And if you want to make astrology your spiritual path, then this is how to do that. So we look at different aspects of the river of Taurus in this case. So these are the six expressions which we will study, and we will look at how these expressions, so the first 5 degrees are called the expression of power, and the last 5 degrees from 26th degree to the 30th degree of Taurus is the expression of depth. And so we could say that Taurus is the journey you take from discovering the power of self and moving into the eventual experience of the depth of self. And each of the zodiac signs has got its own inherent journey. So Taurus obviously tends towards more practical, grounded, earthy based wisdoms, and it's fixed. It likes to do what it does for a long time until it gets eventually to the depth of the matter. So that's Taurus, and I'll introduce a few more of these videos from time to time to give you a clue about the other contents. Thank you.